Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error 2026-08 preview update KB5120998 not installing Windows level. If you getting this error, I have will provide best proven solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve. Let me elaborate troubleshooting methods. So first step of troubleshoot Windows update. We can go to troubleshoot Windows update tool. So we can go to that Windows search bar and type that settings. We can click to open. In the search bar, type Windows update. We can go to find Windows update troubleshooting tool. So if you found here available that tool name, find and fixing problem with Windows update, just click on it. Then you got it like that screen. Then you can go to click on the next. It will processing automatically started. Here already troubleshooted, so I getting validate the integrated of the troubleshoot failure. So if you are there are running their Windows update troubleshooting tool, just you wait until finished. After finished, then you come to back. Then you can go to do it that check the Windows update if it is working or not. If this problem exists, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution I will expose or and reveal corrupted files delete. So we can go to open the file explorer. So click on it. Here we can click on the local disk C, then scroll down. We can go to select the Windows folder, double tap to open, then scroll down. We can go to find software distribution folder, double tap to open, select it all, then right click, then you will delete all folders. After deleted, then you come to back, close the file exporter. Then we can go to restart your system. So we can click on the start menu and we can click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. After restarted, then you can go to check if it is working or not. If this problem still running, then we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution, try command promote method. So we can go to Windows search, click on the Windows search bar and type that cmd, then right click on the command promote and select the run as administrator to integrate it. After integrated to run, then here we can go to type Windows updating commands. That commands I will provide this description, just you will copy to paste. Or you can go to open your web browser, then type that MR.LEARNING way. Just click to visit this website. Afterward, then you can go to search catalog, search the blog post. Then you will scroll down. You can click on the quick and easy Windows Update catalog. Just click to open. Then scroll down. There are having that comments. Just one by one copy to paste in command promote. First step, we can go to stop the Windows Update services. After stop it, then we can go to again start the Windows Update other service. Sometimes in this problem has solved, so we can one by one copy to paste, try it this step. After completed, then we can go to throw the next solution. Wait, I will expose. Here, after all finished, then exit type to come to back from the command promote. After that, you can go to do it that again, relaunch the your Windows Update. There are perfectly working or not. If it is still running, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution I will expose, then services. So you can go to evaluate whether it is enable or disable Windows services. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We can click to open. After open, then scroll down. You can go to find Windows update you have found. Just select and right click, then select the properties. Here you can go to evaluated startup type automatic fixed or not. If it is fixed, then you can go to evaluate that next one of the service status is running. If the service status is stopped, just you can go to click on the start to change it. After hit the apply and OK to optimize your properties. Then you come to back, then you close it. Then you can go to restart your system. Then relaunch your continue update your Windows level. After that, your problem will solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I guide you and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.